You know that all the song tonight, we want to tell you a story about somebody who's lonely. And the next one will be the song, beautiful song, that somebody comes to you and he's not the one you love, but he's the one who show you what love is. And this is the Natural Boy. There was a boy, a very strange and chatted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. And why we spoken of many things, full and kings, and this he said to me. The greatest thing that you ever learned is to love and be loved in return. comes my way. And why we spoke of many things, full and kings, and this he said to me. Oh, the greatest thing that you ever learned is to love and be loved in return. The rarest thing that you ever learn is to love and be loved in return. That's a natural boy. Thank you.